So let's take a look at step 30. And step 30, we need more of the components. We need BA3s times 2 of those. So the 3x12mm self-tapping. BC6 times 2. These are the 3x8mm self-tapping. 2 of the BA7, so 3mm washers. We need B10. We need 2 of those. And we need B17. We need 2 of those. And we need our chassis. Very simple. So these B10s, we need to make sure that the holes are across the chassis. They're going to fit these back ones here. And they're going to screw through the bottom using the BA3s, the 3x12s, and there's no washers on these. So it's a case of screwing up through here, up onto here. If I can get that in like that.
Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready.
So I'll just turn that ever so much until it's in place. Now, once it's in place, just got to hold it in place and nip it up. Give it a little turn to push them into place. There we are. Right, now we also put these on. So we need to make sure that these fit over the right way, and these are going to go on these inner lugs, and we need to make sure that they go the right way. Yeah, one has a screw go through, so like that, and the screw one goes on this end with a washer. And that is step 30 completed. Okay, we're on step 31 now, and some more components that we need. We need BC13s. These are the 3x28mm turnbuckle shafts. And we need BC15s, and we need 6 of those, which are the 5mm end adjusters. And what I've seen that Tamiya actually in this kit give you one of their spanners. I've not seen this for a little while actually. The last time I saw one of these was in the Scania R600 truck that I built. So it's nice to get this. It's really quite nice. So anyway, adjusting these, we've got to make one of this type A steering rods, one with 14mm inside the dimension, and you'll notice that the eyelets are at 90 degrees to each other, and we need to make 2 of the type B with 18mm, and again with the eyelets at 90 degrees to each other. So I'm telling you what I'm going to do. I'm going to make most of them, 2 of them I should say, and then I'll show you the last one, because there's no point me twisting and twisting and twisting and showing you the same thing. Right, there we are. I shall get on with that. So let me show you how one of these is put together, and you'll see it's quite a simple step. So you take one of your adjusters and then you take the end of your shaft, and what you need to do is one side, you just need to make sure you're straight, of course. So one side is a proper thread, so you wind it clockwise. So the side that's not got the blank area, so this side is actually winding in a clockwise fashion. So let's put a couple of threads on there, and you use the spanner, okay, to wind that down. And then the other side, the side with the shoulder here, that actually is an anti-clockwise. So again, making sure you get it level and straight, and you turn it anti-clockwise. There we go. And then what you do is you wind this until such time that you get the right measurement. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wind this in, because I'm not going to sit here and bore you with the whole video just winding these in. I'm going to wind these in until you get the right gaps. So finishing off step 31, so I've now just adjusted this up using the spanner. And you literally are, you just got to be patient and use the spanner bit by bit, turn this, and just so you can see 18 millimeters inside, and you've got at 90 degrees to each other. It's very straightforward, very easy. Okay, and so we've got 2 at the 18 mil and 1 at 14 mil. So that is step 31 now completed. Okay, we're now on step 32, and step 32, we need some more components. We need the BC1s. These are the 3 by 15 millimeter machine screws, which are these 2 here. BA8s, we need the 3 millimeter nuts. That's these 2. The BA9s, which are the 3 millimeter flange nuts, which are these 2. BB10s, which are the ball connectors, there's 3 of those, that's these 3. A BC11, which is the tie rod, which is this guy here. BC14, which is the steering posts, which are these guys here. We also need B7 from our components trees, these 2 guys here. And we've got to install that into our chassis. And it says here, note, turn upside down. So I believe turn the chassis upside down, because the idea is this is installed onto these posts areas here. Okay, and well, I'll get on and show you how it's done, because we've got to attach the tie rods that we made in step 31. So the first step is to take our ball connectors, and we're going to need to put them in here and use this nut. So by dropping the nut inside, screwing that into place. Then we take this component, which is our B11. So we have this. Then this attaches to our chassis using these along with these. Put this one in as well. Then take these ones. There we have it. Step 32 is now completed.